All right, good afternoon, Heights Middle School students. This is Chris Jones, your new principal. I am so excited to welcome you all back to the 2021-2022 school year. A lot of exciting things going on this year. It's going to be great to see everyone in person. Really looking forward to that. I know that our teachers are looking forward to that as well. Last year was challenging, but you all showed just how resilient you are and how capable we are of great things together. Go ahead and turn this over to Miss King, and she'll go ahead and introduce the rest of the team, and look forward to seeing you soon.
Hi, I'm Miss King and I teach language arts.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Christian and I also teach 8th grade language arts.
I'm Mrs. Conley and I teach 8th grade math and algebra.
I'm Ms. Bella and I teach 8th grade math. And if you have me, you need to remember that I'm not in the 8th grade hallway. I'm in the 6th grade hallway, so right by the office.
Hi, I'm Kelsey Hatch and I teach 8th grade science, and along with Ms. Bella, I'm not in the 8th grade hallway, I'm in the 7th grade hallway. So if you had Mr. Begay last year, I'm next to his class. Ms. Kennedy,
Yes,
do you want to introduce yourself?
yes, I'm Miss Kennedy. I teach 8th grade science and I am in the 8th grade hallway.
Hello, I'm Brady Rivers, and I teach U.S. history.
Hi, I'm Tony Bartley, and I'm also 8th grade history.
Hello, I'm Karen McKay, and I teach 7th and 8th grade gifted, and I'm in the 7th grade hallway, room 314.
I'm Nick Akins. I'm also helping out with gifted in 8th grade this year. See you soon.
I'm Ruben Romero. I'm helping out with 6th, 7th, and 8th math classes.
Hi, I'm Glenda Hardy. I am the Native American Youth Advisor, and my office is located in the library. It's nice to see everyone.
Welcome back to Heights. My name is Rose Karchner, and I teach an elective career exploration, and my class is located over by the art and shop classes.
Hi, formerly known as Miss Sandoval. This year I am now Mrs. Dan, and I am the computer teacher.
Hi, my name is Michelle Trotter and I teach 8th grade PE.
Hi, 8th graders. I'm Mrs. Haskell. I'm your librarian. I look forward to seeing you guys this year in the library. You're able to come in more often this year, and I look forward to that. So hopefully we'll see you in the library soon and often.
All right, I'm going to start by going over a few things. So welcome to your 8th grade year at Heights. Supplies for your classes will be provided by Farmington Municipal Schools, and they're no cost to you. Breakfast and lunch are provided at no cost for the entire school year, and laptops will be distributed in the next few days.
I thought that's the one we were talking about.
Please wear your mask whenever you're inside the school building. We also will be completing the RUVNA screening prior to arriving at school. So make sure you do that prior to arriving. School will start on Thursday at 8:30 a.m. and breakfast will be available from 8 to 8:30 in the cafeteria. So grab some breakfast and report to your first hour class. We cannot go on the field in the morning yet.
And hello, this is Mr. Bartley again. So once again, you can check PowerSchool, and there is a new a new address, internet address for the PowerSchool. So make sure that you get the correct online address. So if you need to check your schedule, that's the place to do it. All right, so we are excited to get you back in the classroom. We hope that we get back to normal here pretty soon. But we look forward to supporting you throughout the year. And we hope that you can come to us with any questions or concerns that you might have. And we look forward to a great year with you guys. And last, these are some other resources that you can find out more information about Heights Middle School, especially if you're new to the district or new to our school. You can check out these different web pages. So we do have a website for Heights. We also have a Facebook that's available, a Facebook page that's available for you that will have updates on school activities. And then, of course, there are multiple emails and any numbers and extensions that you need to get a hold of us, so, especially for you parents. And as always, you need to be checking that Schoology. That's where most of the work will be left for students online. So you can check Schoology and get those assignments, especially if you're going to be absent. All right. Thank you so much for being here, and we hope you have a wonderful year. Again, we are all here to help, so just let us know what we can do. Thank you. Bye, guys.